Yeah, anyways, just sing happy birthday, make a video of you singing, you and Liz me singing happy birthday. Um, sing happy birthday to me, nobody else, just me. Yeah, that's why I got it for Christmas, Ariana. I know I'm not trying to brag or anything. Ha, nothing. I got this Christmas. It's awesome. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube right now so you can hear, see me. But yeah, just subscribe to me. I'm begging you. If you're with Liz, you're the best. You're the best. Tell Liz she's the best too. The best. But yeah, I'm be singing. Um, subscribe to me. I'm begging you. Bye.